Hi guys.
Today, I'm going to show you how to make an image transparent in Microsoft Word.
So, let's get started.
First, open Microsoft Word.
Next, go to the Insert tab at the top of the screen. Click on it, and then select Shapes.
From the drop-down menu, choose any shape you like.
For this tutorial, I'll select a rectangle. Draw the shape on your document.
Now, click on the shape, and a new tab called Shape Format or Drawing Tools Format will appear. In the Shape Format tab, you'll see a section called Shape Styles.
Click on Shape Fill, then select Picture or Texture Fill. Click on the Insert button, then choose from a file. Locate the image you want to make transparent and insert it. Once your image is inserted, you'll see an option for transparency in the same section. Use the slider to adjust the transparency level to your liking. You can see the image becoming more transparent as you adjust the slider. And that's it. You've successfully made an image transparent in Microsoft Word. I hope you found this tutorial helpful.
If you did, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel.
Thanks for watching.